Well, I'm blessed. That's the word. I think the entire platform is blessed, because it turned into something much bigger than we envisaged. And that can only be something that's blessed. The Lord
Yeah.
blessed what we've done. I think it's going to grow a lot. The people talking to me now, they're also envisioning that the Transfer Forum will, the scope will broaden more to Africa and internationally.
Yeah.
I won't remove myself from the forum, even if I have to pass the stick on to somebody else. I'll still be there,
Mm.
and that I will be proud and say, I've done the first part. Now
Yeah.
the second part, rather than seeing it dying down, and
Yeah.
closing
That
down.
would be horrible. Yeah.
So for
Of
me, it will
course.
be great if it can be taken to the next level, and
Yeah.
I can still see it happening. That will be great. So I'm looking
Yeah.
forward to it.